Hey there! In this video tutorial, we're going to cover how to customize the theme of your Potion account to ensure that the landing page that your recipients see is properly branded to your business. On the left side, we're going to click on Theme. And once we're on the theme page, we can start by uploading a logo, uploading a background image, and uploading a favicon to ensure that when your recipients open the video, they see your logo in the top left corner, they see the favicon in your browser tab also matches your branding, and then that video page background refers to the space on the landing page that is currently what you can see is white, but we can upload it with a branded image specifically for your business. Next, to further customize the theme, we can update the brand color, text color, and header color to properly match the exact colors that you use in your branding. Further down on the theme page, we can add a hyperlink on the logo so that when one of your recipients clicks on the logo in the top left corner, it will take them wherever you wish them to go. Finally, once all is said and done, we can hit Preview Theme, and that will show you exactly what your recipients are going to see when they open your video landing page to double check and make sure that the branding is appropriate and what you were intending to do when you were setting this up in your Potion account. For any other tutorials, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.